Welcome back. Sewage problem has become a reason of concern in many parts of the state. The officials of Madgaon Urban Health Centre inspected complexes at RK Madgaon. It was found that most of the complexes have inadequate drainage system. Moreover, many complexes discharge their drainage in nearby wells and farms. Have a look.
Sanitary officer of Margaon, along with the Margaon municipal councillors, inspected complexes at RK Margaon. The inspection was carried out on the backdrop of complaints filed by the locals. Locals claim that the sewage is being discharged in the fields and rainwater drains. This has also led to the contamination of wells in the area.
And the law says and the High Court says it should be within the property. But defy flat occupancy completion certificate how they can stay and how they can accept this.
Local councillor Sangeeta Audi claims that the builder has not followed the rules and guidelines.
Actually, ह्या बिल्डिंगेक जे आसा पळय ते एक्चुअली प्लॅनाचेर 4 सोकपीट आसा कळ्ळें पूण ताणी कितें केलां बिल्डरान फक्त 2 सोकपीट बांदल्या म्हणटकूच ऑटोमॅटीक कितें जाता तांगेले हातून बर्डन आयले लोक रावता म्हणटकूच ते 2 सोकपीट ताका पावच्यो ना न्ही एक्स्ट्रा 2 आसा त्यो हे करना पूण प्लॅनार दाखयतना 4 दाखयल्या पूण बांदल्या 2च.
Sanitary officer of Urban Health Centre at Margaon, S. Silva, has asked the complexes to treat their own sewage till the municipal sewage lines reach their complexes.
People of this Priyanka apartment to construct immediately before the rain and all the wastewater divert in this soak pit. And secondly, this blockage of drain by the Nano, these people are telling that Nano blocked this drain, permanent drain, rainwater storm drain, and that will be solved by the municipality because this is not come under this health.
Our reporter from Akke Margaon, Savio Dias.
Baina Beach in Murgaon Taluka has become a dumping ground for some. Construction waste is being dumped along the beach side, but seems like nobody is aware and bothered too.
Have a look at this pickup. The Baina Beach in Murgaon Taluka is being used as a dumping ground by some people. This has kept the Baina Beach in menace. Tourists flock to this beach during summer season but return back disappointed. Moreover, there is no hygiene maintained on the beach. We contacted acting chairperson of Murgaon municipality Krishna Salkar. He seemed unaware.
Normally when we started cleaning the beach, it was in coordination with the tourism department, and we don't employ any workers of ours to keep a watch there or something like that. So it is the tourism department which maintains the beach and all. But I think the tourism department also leaving that drishti which is there.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Around 100 children are taking part in a football camp at Asolna. The camp is organized by Ambili Sports Club. MLA of Veli, Benjamin Silva, says a football academy will be set up at Ambili in future.
Around 95 burge plus chodwa chede, and we will concentrate more on the football game. We'll try to teach them basics, whatever that is. With us also we have the main coach as Mahesh Rotlikar, who is a former international, who is a AFC license holder. It's hard work, how much they can put hard work into the game. And if they can do it, because goya amkode bhorpur talent ha. Parents ani bhorpur support korpa jay asल्या कामाक कित्याक जेन्ना government इतलो फुडें सरला ह्या भुरग्यांक दिवपाक, even the marks are given now to the people who are playing for nationals for the school level. So I think lots of encouragement there from government side, and it's nice to see.
एक विचार आमी केल्लो आसा, एक academy open करपाक आमी मुगे constituency. पण ती academy open करता आमकां पयलीं एक full fledged ground जाय. So तो ground आमी मुगेले place रामबेली village आमगे ग्राउंड पयलीं रेडी करता. एक वर्सा बाद म्हाका दिसता ग्राउंड प्लेइंग फील्ड तर रेडी जातलें. सो हें जालें म्हणटा आमी प्रोसेस चालू करतले एकेडमी घालपाक.
A reporter from Asolna, Savio Dias. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. If you have missed our bulletin, you can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.